everybody, welcome back to JDB Moto. In today's episode we're going to be reviewing the TCX Hero Boots. The TCX Hero Boots is going to fall under the category of more of a cruiser boot to a touring boot. There's going to be multiple categories that you can choose from. I only go with this type of boot just because I like to have the comfort that the boot provides you along with the protection. These boots right here are going to be CE rated, which means they're going to provide you protection where it matters the most. You get protection to your ankles, to your heel, and your feet up front, like your toe area. These boots are also waterproof, which in Florida that's going to be almost a must-have. These boots are going to have the water gusset, which is going to come all the way up to your ankle area. One of the features that I like about these boots is going to be the zipper. I've already used them a couple of times, and I have to say that having a zipper makes a big difference, at least for me. It makes it a lot easier to slide your foot in and out versus when you have those taller boots that you have to literally undo all your laces to be able to stretch your foot in and out. These boots right here are going to be dual stitching, as you can see over here. The dual stitching is going to make your boots last a lot longer. Most of the boots that we have in the market right now are going to be glued to the sole. These boots being dual stitching are going to make your boots last a lot longer, which is going to give you a longevity like no other boot that you've had before. I will have to say these boots are waterproof. However, comparing to my other boots, these boots are extremely hot. This right here is my other pair of boots. These boots right here will be replacing my other TCX boots. This over here, it's not as hot as your TCX Hero. Now, I've worn these boots right here all the way up from 30 to 40 degrees, all the way up to 100. And granted, your foot will get moist just because it's hot, it's waterproof, so the membrane is going to make your foot sweat more. However, I've worn this boot already a couple of times in 40 to 60 degree weather here in Florida, and I have to say my foot has definitely sweat a lot more with this boot, so that will be something to consider if you live in a warmer climate and you're going to be thinking of getting the TCX Hero boots. Another thing that I like about these boots compared to my other TCX Hero is going to be the sole. This sole right here, it's a lot thicker, and they're supposed to be resistant to like oil, any type of lubricants. These boots right here, although they tell you that they're going to be oil resistant, they're not. Many times I caught myself just slipping, waiting at a stoplight, so these boots, not good. This sole, I have to say that I like it a lot more so far. Another great feature about this boot is going to be, if you're into looks, they have that great calf eraser style. I love the stitching, how it's nicely well done. All throughout the boot, you're going to see nice stitching done to the inside of your boot, to your boot and foot area, as well as where the shifting pad goes. This over here is going to be as well double stitch, so it's going to provide you with more protection when it comes to your shifter pad. These boots right here, they're going to have an entry point of $250, which is going to be more of a mid-level boot entry point. So that I'm hoping that means that they're going to be a lot more reliable. They're going to last me a long time, given the price point. Now you might be asking, why did I go with this boot versus other boots? The answer is simple. It's going to come down to protection. These are my previous boots here, and as you're going to see, we have about 2 more inches of protection. So that protection is going to be excellent. God forbid I take a spill one of these days. My lower leg is going to have more protection than if I was wearing these boots over here. These boots over here as well provide with great comfort. These boots right here, don't ask me why, but even now they still feel uncomfortable after having them for 4 to 5 years. These boots felt comfortable right off the bat, and I have to say that's great. I usually, when I ride, I go for long rides, so this is going to make them a lot comfortable. When I was choosing boots as well for my riding style, one of the things that I noticed was these crevices back here. As you're gonna see, that's gonna provide you with more flexibility when it comes to walking, or if you're gonna have them on for long periods of time, that's gonna make your boot more comfortable since you're gonna be able to swivel your foot front and back with a lot more ease. So guys, here we have it. I'm gonna be providing you guys with an update. I would say 6 months to a year down the road. See how they're performing. Guys, if you like the content, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe, and share. See you guys next time.